The topic that we are going to discuss it is how to find the value of Kc. So we will find the way that we can find the value of Kc. So first of all, you must know that what does mean by Kc. Kc basically it is the ratio of the product of the molar concentration of products each raised power to the coefficient to the product of the molar concentration of the reactants. So this is a simple way in which we have to take the ratio of the molar concentration of the products to the molar concentration of the reactants. In the same way, we can find the unit of Kc that is given in mole per dm cube because the mean of molar concentration is the values of the substances in the mole per dm cube. So next we have our example number 1, that is when hydrogen reacts with the iodine at 25 degrees Celsius, it forms the hydrogen iodide by a reversible reaction. And the equilibrium concentrations we have for hydrogen is 0.05 mole per dm cube. For iodine, we have 0.06 mole per dm cube. And for hydrogen iodide, that is product, 0.04. So let's write the equation for this given reaction. We have hydrogen plus iodine. It is going to react in the reversible reaction and we just gain hydrogen iodide. Next, we will write its concentrations over there: 0.05 hydrogen, 0.06 iodine, and hydrogen iodide we have 0.49, and these concentrations are in mole per dm cube. Next, we have to write the Kc for this reaction. So the Kc we have products, products concentration over the molar concentration of the reactants. So here we have Kc as in product side we have hydrogen iodide. So we will write hydrogen iodide, and this 2 is the coefficient of the reaction or the number of moles it will be raised to power. Next we have hydrogen on the reactant side as well as we have iodine on the reactant side. Now by putting up these values we can be able to find the value of Kc. So hydrogen iodide its concentration is 0.49 and its square. Next we have hydrogen is 0.05 and next we have iodine 0.06. By finding the square of this value we will get 0.2401 by dividing the product of 0.05 into 0.06 we get 0.003. So by solving up we will get the value of Kc is equal to 80.03. So this is the Kc for this reaction. Next we have the second example, that how we can find the value of Kc. It is for the Haber process. This is a formation of ammonia in which hydrogen and nitrogen react. So the reaction we have, nitrogen is going to react with the hydrogen and going to form the ammonia. So let's write their concentrations, that is 0.602 for the nitrogen. So the nitrogen its concentration is 0.602 mole per dm cube, and next for the hydrogen concentration we have 0.420 mole per dm cube, and next for the ammonia we have NH3 and its concentration is 0.113 mole per dm cube. And we have to find the value of Kc. So in this question it has asked what is the value of Kc. First of all we have to write the Kc as the products over reactants. So products we have ammonia and square. Next we have the reactant nitrogen N2, and the second reactant is hydrogen H2, and 3 will be its power. Now by putting up the values for the ammonia, we have 0.113 and its square. Next for the nitrogen we have 0.602, and next for the hydrogen we have 0.420 and its cube. By solving up, we will get the answer, and the answer is simple, 0.269. And now what will be the unit that is going to be here, as there are 4 moles of reactants and 2 moles of the products. So the unit we will get per mole square, and the dm cube 6. So this is the simple value of Kc that we can gain in this chemical reaction. I hope you guys understand that how we can find the value of Kc by simply putting up the values in the Kc. So if you have guys any queries, you can ask me about that in the comment section. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.